Inside this box lies something powerful, something dangerous, something that might just make my neighbor file a noise complaint. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Zebronix Roxor party speaker. Today we're not just going to unbox it, but we are going to unleash it. Will this turn my house into a club? Let's find out. Look at this. This isn't just a speaker, it's a monster. It's got power output of 100 watts with dual speaker drivers. So this has got LED indicator, RGB light, built-in battery with 8 hours of power backup and a remote control. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this thing can shake my wall or make me shake my head with the disappointment. Okay, now I'm connecting my mobile to the device using Bluetooth. Man, this is loud. The bass, it doesn't just hit, it punches right in the chest, and I love it. Guess what? It even has FM. Who listens to FM these days? Oh wait, did I mention it has karaoke? It's got wireless mic. No tripping over the cables, my friends. You know what this means, right? Your house party has got 10 times more fun. If you had a guitar, you can plug it in too and steal the spotlight. And the best part is, it can even record your performance. Should you buy Zebronix Roxor DJ speaker? If you love parties, music, karaoke and making people go wow, then yes. Or else, you might need a new hobby, my friend. Hey, if you find this review helpful, smash that like and subscribe button please. Right now, we are at 900 subscribers. I know we can hit 10,000 with your help and support. Let's build this channel into something big together.